I'm looking at an item today that the company did send me and did compensate me to make a video of it. So what is it? It's basically a brush set. There's 3 pieces here in the brush. There's 3 brushes in each. There's 2 brushes heads on each one of these on a metal coil. And what this is designed to do for many different things. If you have an aquarium, you want to clean your aquarium, that's super important. It's double-ended, as you can see here. It's flexible. It's really quite pliable. You can use this anywhere. It's really nice. I like this quite a bit. It's 3 sets here, 3 different sizes, from 3 different colors, from 61.02 inches to 78.74 inches is the size range on this here. It's a great value, so definitely check this out. I absolutely love this quite a bit. There's a lot of things you can do with this. Cleaning your vacuum hoses, cleaning out aquarium tanks, different connections, things like that. There's all kinds of different uses for these kind of things. You'd be surprised. I want to show you something in a second, so stick with me, and I'm going to show you one that's going to surprise you. Again, multiple applications, great for cleaning aquariums, fish tanks, water pumps, filters, pipes, connectors, you name it, vacuum lines, vacuum hoses, even dryer vents. Sometimes you get a little clog in there, you can push it in there and grab things and push it out. It's double-ended, like I said. It's got a wide variety of uses, but the most important use, I think personally, is that, and I don't think anybody talks about this, I just figured this out myself, is that yes, you can use it for all those things like I said. You know, vacuums, pipes, hoses, aquariums, I mean, you name it. Anything you have to fish out, either dust, dirt, or clean, this is what you need, right? Baby bottles, sometimes you can't get in there really good. This is really good for that kind of stuff. I want you just to see the quality of these little these bristles. They're nice. Here is this one here as well. They're pliable, they're flexible. It's got that nice, sturdy, long metal, almost like a spring kind of material to it. That's what this is. But the most important thing this does, honestly, is bottles like this. When you have a bottle, right, and you open up this bottle, what's inside most of these bottles, say these drinking bottles, all have these crazy straws in here. Now, these straws do come out, and very difficult to clean inside the straw. Okay, check this out, guys, right here. Watch this, right? Look at this. I'm going to show you. This is like magic. Look at this. Now, that is extremely cool. I mean, I figured this out myself. Look at this. You can clean the straw. You know how hard it is to clean those straws with all the bacteria in the straw? This is perfect for that. Just for this alone, it's worth everything, because you get to clean the inside of the straw. You can't clean in here. It's almost impossible. And look how long this is. This could be 7 feet long, and you can clean that straw. Look at that. Now, that to me is worth the price of admission right there. To clean that straw, that's where all the bacteria, that's where all the germs are. This is where it is right here. Super important, guys. This is what you need to have to clean the straws. Now, if you have one of these cups inside, you know, if you want to get inside here, you can get inside there as well. Clean that out. But also, another thing, let me show you this one. You get these little things that the kids drink out of, and you can't get in here. Again, look at this. Goes right inside. You can clean it right out. All right, look at this. Watch this. Watch this. Look where it's coming out. All right. You know how hard it is to get in there? Look at the flexibility you have with this. That is wild. So I'm definitely going to recommend, open this up here. Definitely going to recommend this. It cleans everything beautifully. It's super sturdy, super strong, and also it's really important to clean your straws. So that to me is the winner. I don't care about the rest of it. That to me is super important. Definitely got to get these. Got to keep these. I love these. Clean your straws. Clean your stuff. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Aquarium, yes, all that stuff is great. Love it. Non-toxic, really well made. Nylon, silk, super soft, very durable. That's it, guys. This is what I have for you. Here's a set of 3. Again, all metal construction with the nice bristles. Go ahead and pick these up. You won't be disappointed. I do get a small commission, as you do know, and I do appreciate you purchasing it. It costs you nothing, so if you go ahead and purchase it, I appreciate that. Go ahead and do that. And I'm just showing you what I think. It's right here, guys. The straw. You got to clean the straw or it's useless. Okay, guys, appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, don't forget to follow, like, and share the channel. It means a lot to me. I really do appreciate that. I hope you enjoyed this review. If I brought you some value, go ahead and click that like button, subscribe, and share, whatever it takes. Hope I made your day. Thanks for watching.